night, mostly clear. Lows around 20 below. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs around 9 below. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Near steady temperature around 12 below. West winds up to 5 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs around 1 below. South winds up to 5 miles an hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 11 below. Southeast winds up to 5 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs around 4. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows around 12 below. Monday, increasing clouds. Highs around 11. Monday night, not as cold. Decreasing clouds. Lows around 1. Tuesday through Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs around 11. Lows around 2 below. Wednesday night and Thursday, partly cloudy. Lows around 7 below. Highs around 6. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for overnight, mostly clear. Lows around 20 below. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. At 11 p.m., in the Twin Cities, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was minus 18 degrees, the dew point was minus 36, and the relative humidity was 39%. The wind was northwest at 20 miles an hour, gusting to 28. The wind chill was minus 45. The pressure was 30.57 inches and rising. Around the metro, it was clear, with a temperature of minus 18 at St. Paul, minus 17 at South St. Paul, and minus 18 at Lakeville. Under clear skies, Eden Prairie reported minus 18, Crystal reported minus 20, and Blaine reported minus 18. At Lake Elmo, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of minus 17. Across the rest of Minnesota, it was clear, with a temperature of minus 17 at Rochester, minus 16 at Mankato, minus 21 at St. Cloud, minus 24 at Brainerd, and minus 25 at Duluth. Under clear skies, Bemidji reported minus 29, International Falls reported minus 28, Alexandria reported minus 23, and Marshall reported minus 15. At Hibbing, it was cloudy, with a temperature of minus 26. Around Wisconsin, it was clear, with a temperature of minus 18 at Rice Lake and minus 5 at Green Bay. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of minus 18 at Osceola, minus 2 at Madison, and 4 at Milwaukee. It was cloudy, with a temperature of minus 15 at Eau Claire and minus 14 at Wausau. Across the eastern Dakotas, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was minus 20 at Fargo, minus 18 at Watertown, and minus 12 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was 5 at Des Moines, minus 1 at Sioux City, and minus 12 at Mason City. Once again at 11 p.m., in the Twin Cities, it was minus 18 degrees and the wind chill was minus 45 under partly cloudy skies. This is weather radio station KEC 65 Minneapolis, St. Paul. On a frequency